Guys, in this video I'll be showing you countifs function where you have to choose like some text from a column. Criteria range would be like some text from a column. So this would be a column that is having some kind of like a text, and then there would be another column that will be having like numbers. So we are dealing with two columns. Now in these two columns we have to find some specific things like F or M, like female or male. And in this one we have to find the number that is less than or greater than some specific number, like, so yeah, so this can be done through countifs function. So how the countifs functions works is you have to give criteria one range, like one what you can say one column, and then another range, another column, and between these two quotation marks you have to give your specific item. Like if I want to choose like F or M, then I have to write between this quotation mark, and over here in like in the numbers column, the second column, if I what I want to choose over here, if I want to choose that I want something greater than 10 or less than 10, or if I want exactly 10 number in it, then you have to write exactly here, then it will give you your exact information. So let's get started from our first procedure. Click or press equal sign on your number pad or like in your computer, and then click counts ifs. Double click it, double click it. Here we go. Then I prefer to go up towards this FX, click on FX, and over here I just want to choose that column, criteria range. I want to choose that range of column, the text. So okay, it's telling me it's choose it now. So I'm going to choose it from 1. From 1 go down, from 6. 6 is column C6, go down, 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 down towards C56. Yeah, 56, from C6 till C56. Press F4 on your keyboard. Okay, yeah, it's column CC, and then press enter. Now it's telling me, okay, you choose that column. Now what you want us to find in that column? So I'm gonna tell them that I want specific F on only information related to this F, nothing else. In order to do that, I have to press Shift key and then the quotation mark on your keyboard. See, like this. It's very tiny, but you can see it. Then write F and then again press Shift key and the quotation mark again. Now there is another criteria range. So let's select another group of cells, or you can say another column. So from here, G6 towards the end, go down, G53, no, G56. I'll select the blank cells too, and then click F4 and then press enter. Okay, now I choose a second column that is having some sort of number. See, so now it's telling me criteria 2, what you want to find out in this column. So I'm just going to tell it that I want to find something less than or equal to 10. Okay, so for the purpose of finding it, I have to press shift button and then the quotation mark, and then a symbol is there to show that it is less than 10. There is a symbol on your keyboard. Press shift and that symbol, this kind of symbol, and then press equal to sign on your keyboard and then write 10 number, and then again press shift and the quotation mark. Here we go. So this is my range. This is my column 1 that is having some text, and in this text I want to find F text only. And then the second range is column 2, and in which is having some kind of numbers, and in this column I want to find 10 number, like 10, less than 10 or equal to 10. Okay, so it's saying there is zero, there is nothing. Okay, let's find out that is it right or is it wrong. In order to find out, I have to go exactly select this whole column, go to data, and in data go to filter. In filter you will see that a small arrows is there. Just click on this arrow, and over here there is MF. So just deselect the M. We don't want the M in our column, we just want to find F only, and that is just like the heading of it. And blanks, yeah, you can select the blanks too. Clicks okay. Blanks mean like the empty cells. Yeah, you can select the empty cells, and we are more specific about the F things. Okay, let's go click OK. Here we go. So everything is related to F now. So anything that is less than 10 showed us 0. So let's see, this F has HB 14, this F has nothing, this F has nothing, this F has HB 10 but it's 10.6, so that's why. And this F has 11, this F has blank, this F has 11 again, and this F has 14. So there you go. So let's go back to our list, click on the arrow again, then click on the M so that we could get our list back, and click OK. So see, it gave us exactly the same answer, that females are having 0 HB less than 10. There's nothing. Okay, now I am going to think HB less than 10. So this one is very easy. HB less than 10 is like just select it. We don't like, you don't have to select any like two columns in it. It's just like one column. In one column, you have to select specific information or number. Okay, so click equal to sign, count ifs. Then let's click fx at the top. What is the range you want to find out? HB is the range. HB column is the range. Okay, it's from G6 towards the end. Get down. Which one is the last one? I'll take is this one. Yeah. Press F4 on your keyboard again and press enter again. Now what do you want to find out here? I want to find out HB less than 10. Okay, just give that order to it. Press shift and the quotation mark, and then press shift and less than symbol, and then equal to sign, and then press 10 and then shift and the quotation mark, and let's see what happens. Okay, there you go, it's 0. We already know that this list, we already checked before, that this list is having one number that is 10, but it is not exactly 10, it's 10.6. So that's why it's giving me um, 0. So and now it is telling us it's the same formula, right? So HB less than 19, so we just have to change the number. So I'm just gonna move forward. Yeah, what I can do is I'm just gonna, you see that green square at its end, I'm just gonna drag it down. There you go. And now I just have to change this number in it because it's 10, so I'm gonna make it 19 because it's saying HB less than 19. So I'll just find out. Click OK. 31. All right, so let's see that HB less than 19 is 31 in real sense or no. It's right. See, HB less than 19 is 31. Now let's go find out how many are having age less than 20 years. So we will be dealing with this column, age column, column D. See, on top it is written column D. So here is the formula again. Countif can help us out. It's the same formula. Press equal to countifs. Then on top of it, over here, select your criteria. So we are trying to find the age. So the age column is here. from C6, no, D6 towards 56. Press F4 and enter. Now what criteria you are giving it? What are you trying to find out over here? Age less than 20. So I'm gonna write that symbol again. So press shift and quotation mark, then press shift and that symbol, then equal to sign, and then 20, and then press shift and quotation mark. So this is the column D of age, and this is the number that I want. I want total amount, total sum of here. Okay, press OK. Okay, so it's telling me that there are seven people that is having age less than 20. Let's count them. Okay, it's 24. Yeah, see, no more there. So it is absolutely right. Manually we checked it. Okay, now I need to find. It's basically was telling me that how many are having age above 21 and below 40. So we have to give two informations. We have to give two informations to the countifs function. Press equal sign, countifs, double click the countifs option, fx. Okay, criteria range, we want to find out which column, so it is age column. Yeah, here from D6 till D56. Press F4, press enter. There you go. Now I need to find out what I need to find out in this column. I need to find out age above 21. So press shift quotation mark, symbol of greater sign, then equal to, then 21, and then press shift and then 21. So it's still like those people who are having age greater than or equal to 21, please can you show me in this column criteria range. Okay, let's find something else, another same in the same column, the age, the same age column. Now we are trying to find another information. Okay, F4, press F4, press enter. Now over here we are trying to find person's age um, less than or equal to 40, right? And press shift and quotation mark the same way. Press OK. 6, see, so we are having 6 person that is having age between 21 and 40. So when we write this thing like the equal sign, that means like if they are 21 years old, so you should count them. If you are not writing this equal to sign here, then it won't count 21. It will count anybody that is above 21. Okay, so be careful about this one. So this one is having age between 41 and 60. It's again the same thing. I'm just gonna copy it down and change the age, right? And change the numbers. I can change it here. Uh, Having age greater than 41 and less than 60, right? There you go. And then press enter. See? Okay, and this is telling me age above 60. So let's move it down. You see the green thing? Just move it down. Okay, we got the formal. Now we have to change it according to our own criteria. So it's telling us age above 60. So it will be age greater than 60. This is not a greater sign. We have to put a greater sign, a different greater sign. Faces toward the other side. Okay, so we are just trying to find out the greater sign. So in this age column, right? See, so we're just gonna remove everything. That how many people are having age in this column above 60. Press enter. Let's see how many. One. So only one person is having age above 65. And over here, we just find out that this system is telling us the right information. Now we are trying to find out something in platelet group. This is the platelet column. So what is it telling us about is less than anything that is having platelets, blood platelets less than 50,000. So it's the same formula, guys. But I'm just gonna make sure to do it again and again. Press equal to countifs and then double click that option, go above, select it, and then what is the name of the column that we are trying to find? Go up. It is platelet column here. From here, I'm just gonna take the blank cell to this. Okay, the whole column. All right, till F56, press F4, select, enter, press enter. Then what do you want to find out? I want to find out something that is less than 50,000, right? Okay, press shift and quotation mark, then press less button, less symbol, this symbol, and press equal to, and then 50, 1, 2, 3, then press shift and quotation mark, right? So let's press OK. Zero, nobody is having blood platelets that is less than 50,000. This is 72,000. This is 96. Whereas this is 71,000, 77,000, and this is 90, then 92, 88,000, 92,000. Deficiency, right? It's zero. So it's telling us the right thing. So any person who is having, or any patient who is having blood platelets less than 1 lakh. So I'm just gonna move down this formula and just change the numbers of it, right? So over here it should be 1 lakh, right? How many zeros are there in 1 lakh, by the way? 4? No, there are not 4, there are 5 zeros. You guys are wrong. I was just kidding. So see, 8 people are having blood platelets less than 1 lakh. See? Okay, that's a long list. I don't want to go again. Okay, you guys should count by yourself. I'm just going through it. Okay, and over here. Okay, so what is it saying again? Less than 1 lakh and 50,000. So just let's bring it down, the same formula down again, and double click it so that we could change the numbers. So how many zeros? So in 1 lakh there are 5 zeros. So I'm just gonna make it 5. 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, now press enter. 24. So 24 people are having blood platelets less than 1 lakh 50,000, right? Do you guys want to count it? I think we should count it. 1 lakh 50,000. Yeah, so almost everybody is like that. 1 lakh 50,000. Yeah, so this was a very nice formula. Like, in this tutorial will really help you how to sort data between two columns. If one column is for text, some kind of like text is written there, like alphabets, and in the other column some kind of numbers are given, and you want to find some specific alphabets or some specific letters or words in that column, and then you want to find some numbers related to those letters or words in another column. And at the same time, if you want to find if it is more or less than certain range, so countifs formula can really help you. It's very simple. So like, just write equal to sign, then countifs, then just give Criteria range means like the column that you want to select, the text, and in between the quotation marks you have to like write the text or the word what exactly is in the column that you want to find, and then again select another range or another column, and then again if you want to find what exactly you want to find out, and that's it. So just stay tuned for my next tutorial. I'll be making it more simpler because this is like manually I'm typing all the formulas, but in the next one I'll be creating like buttons for it. You just have to write over here that female or male. Like if it's female, then you will just write male and it will give you the related information in the next box or the next cell for this one. But I don't want to do that in this tutorial because it will make it more longer. So just stay connected and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.